Welcome back to my channel, beauties. If you guys are new here, my name is Stormy, also known as Lifestyle Choice, and today's episode we are going to be doing this stunning step-by-step eyeshadow tutorial. So buckle up, buttercup, and let's get into it. Grab your favorite brow product. We are doing brows first, and if you're not doing them first, honey, what are you doing? Brows come before any skincare, anything touches your face whatsoever. You're going to lock those brows in place because bitch, we want them bulletproof. You will thank me a million times later. I have oily skin and I used to do, moisturize my face, everything before brows, even before I locked them in place, and it was just a hot mess. So trust me, do your brows first and come back and let me know how that's working out for you. And friendly tip, you don't need to break the bank on brow pencils, to have some bomb ass brows. You need a good ass setting powder is what you need. This is the Powder-Pore Professional by Benefit Cosmetics. Get a fluffy brush, pick up that powder and set them in place. Just like you would set your makeup, you're gonna set your brows. Like, coat the living shit out of them. Lock them in place. They are gonna be a fucking mummy.
I'm all wrapped up and locked in.
Like, I'm literally mean, let them fucking set. We're moving on over to skincare now. We're gonna moisturize our face. Now, I am going in with the Ole Henriksen Vitamin C Brightening Cream. Like, it brightens and moisturizes. I mean, bitch, that's a win-win, right? Now we are gonna prime your eyelids. Milani Eyeshadow Primer. Prime your eyelids however your little heart desires. Like I said, I'm not a professional. And honestly, like, makeup is art. You really just have to find out what works for you. For me, it is the Eyeshadow Primer by Milani. I don't like using concealer, but if you like concealer, boo do you. At this point, grab a spoolie, and then we are gonna go ahead and brush out that setting powder from the brows. Like, these are really come in handy. I get them from Amazon. I get like 100 and I think it's like under $10. Like I said, like, this channel, you will know how to be a baddie on a budget. Oh,
Ooh la la, who is she?
look at how fucking stunning my brows look. Like, you seen in the beginning of the video, sparse eyebrows. Bitch, sparse eyebrows where? Not here, honey, not here. Now we're moving on over to eyeshadow. Another key thing, when you put your eyeshadow primer on or concealer or whatever, let it set 30 seconds on your eyes before you go ham with the eyeshadow. Now we're picking up a fluffy brush and we are going to apply this in the crease. I like to look down. That way my eyelid is literally flat. I have no creases because you don't want your eyeshadow creasing, okay? No. Get a fluffy brush. Pack it in the crease and a little bit higher. And just take it all out. Once we have it packed in, then we are gonna wash those windows, beauties. Wash those windows. Circular motions back and forth, but bitch, wash your windows. And then I am taking a flatter, fluffy brush, and I picked up a white shadow and I'm applying it right on top of that shade below my brow to really brighten it. You see how it just gives it that pop? Yeah, pop, lock, and drop it, baby. Go back in with that first brush that you use. Don't pick up any extra product. There's still some product left on there. And just reinforce that first shadow that you placed. That way there's no harsh edges. In between these two shadows, everything just lays seamlessly together. Now you're gonna go in with a packing brush, okay? And you're gonna pick up, I wanna say like a shade a little bit darker than what you placed in the crease. And we are gonna apply it on the outer edge, a little bit into the crease, but not any higher than that crease shade. And just pack. And once you're packing, do like little circular motions and it's just gonna blend together. You see how it's fading? That's exactly what you want. Yes. Once you have that to your liking, you're gonna pick up some more of that product, and now we're gonna focus on the inner corner of the eye. Same thing, just pack, kind of like stamping motions, but we're not bringing it into the crease. We're just putting it on both sides of the eyeball right here. This side and this side. Pack it. And you're good to go, baby. Now you see how it just flows on each side beautifully? Yes. Now we're gonna pick up a shimmer shadow. I like to use my finger, like I always say, use whatever your heart desires. And we are gonna place this right in the center. I am not applying any glitter glue or anything like that. You just need to work with a really good shimmer, metallic shimmer shadow, glitter shadow, whatever you want to call it. But find one that likes to stick. You see, like, I applied it in real time. No fallout. It's going exactly where it needs to go. And it lasts all day. That's what you need. Look how beautifully it looks. Now, at this time, what I like to do is get a flat brush and just pick lightly a little bit of that shimmer and just slowly fade it into the shades that we applied on both sides of the lid, just like that. That way it melts, just like butter. At this point, go in with the brush that you applied the shadow on both sides and just slowly like stamp it. Stamp it, that way there's no harsh edges and everything lays down just like it's supposed to. It just fades into each other. Just wiggle a little bit. You see how it just flows evenly? That's what you want. And at this point, I pick up my handy dandy makeup wipe, go under the lower lash, and we are gonna clean that line up and make it nice and sharp. Now you're gonna pick up a very flat eyeshadow brush and you're gonna pick up the shadow that we placed on both sides of the lid and you're gonna run it under your lower lash line all the way. And no, it does not look weird putting eyeshadow underneath your eye. You're probably just not used to it. That's what I had to tell myself when I first started dabbing into makeup. It took me a long time just to get used to things. And then once you start doing it and actually knowing how to do it or knowing how to do it how you like it, then you'll see it doesn't look weird. It actually pulls the look all together. And just like that. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara, do this eye, lashes, duh. The rest of my makeup, and I'm not editing that out. Anyways, the rest of my makeup and your girl will be back with the final look. And there we have it, beauties. The finished product. Let me know what you guys think. So today we used the Desert Treasure by Ravishing Rouge. It is soon to launch. Launch date to be determined. To be announced, I should say. But look, it features 6 stunning matte shades and 6 metallic shimmers. Like, this collection is something that you're gonna wanna have. I also used the new matte lipstick with it. That's part of this collection. Stunning. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and also let me know what you guys want to see next. And like always, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.